This short video shows how to resolve a sticking guide pin in a Sigma rivet T-nut machine. This can occur if the end of the drive rod is bruised, causing the guide pin to stick. When this happens, the machine can fire T-nuts at an angle. Before any maintenance can be done, always disconnect the air feed and the electricity supply. Remove the upper guard. Empty the track by pushing the T-nuts up into the bowl. Remove the two cap head bolts and the front plate. You can use a lever if the screws are a little bit stiff. Then, using two spanners, remove the drive rod. Remove the spring and take out the guide pin. Using a file, clean off any burrs on the drive rod end. If you don't have a round file, a drill bit can be used just to clean any burrs off from the drive rod. Assemble. Start by reinserting the guide pin and replacing the spring. Replace the drive rod, tighten using the two spanners. Replace the front plate and screws. Replace the pivoting lower guard, making sure it's moving freely, and then replace the upper guard. Reconnect the air and the electricity supply. Allow the T-nuts to feed through from the bowl into the track. The rivet nuts should now fire squarely into the timber.